Hey friends, welcome back to a new Power BI video. Today we briefly like to discuss the formatting options which are available in Power BI. So what do I mean by that? Whenever you create a new measure, a DAX measure in Power BI, then by default the measure of course is not formatted properly. So maybe you would like to have a certain amount of decimal numbers, or you would like to see a currency symbol or whatever. And what you do then, normally at least, is you go to the specific measure. In my case, I have a table here with customer and total profit. And maybe just that you can see this, let me just make it bigger so you can see it better on your screens. So go with text size and say here 15. Okay. So we can see we got a total profit, which is already formatted because I have already applied the format here. But how did I do this? Well, I selected the measure, so I went into the total profit, right? So total profit, here's the measure. And this is just an easy measure, so it's nothing special here, it's just total sales minus total cost. And then I select the measure, and under the tab Measure Tools, you have the option to adjust the formatting, right? So currency, the number of decimals here, and what kind of currency it is. There are a lot of available here in Power BI by default, but you can do this. And other formatting options are also here, like decimal number, whole number, and so on, right? So that's fine. And we can also make percentage figures. So that's fine, as I said, but maybe sometimes this is not enough. Sometimes you need to have additional formatting or your own custom formatting. Remember, probably most of you have some Excel background, and in Excel, you have the option to use custom formatting, right? So for instance, you would like to see negative values in parentheses or with a minus symbol or whatever. Could be whatever you want. This is actually also possible in Power BI. So all you need to do for that is to go into the model view here. Then you need to select the specific measure. In this case, it would be not profit, but total profit. So I can search for that. Total profit. Here it is. I select the measure. And then under the property window here, maybe it's hidden, it looks like that, then just tick it here and you'll see them. You have now here the option under the format to choose different kinds of formatting options besides the ones you have already seen in the report view. There's also this custom option here. So you can tick custom here, and this allows you here to specify your own custom formatting, right? So you can see here, custom selected, and there's a lot of, that's the currency here, an example for that. Now, the question is here, of course, what kind of options are available? Now, they're kind of similar to Excel, at least what I experienced so far. But if you just don't know what's available and you like to learn more and what you actually have to enter here to get the right format for your specific needs, all you need to do is you go to the specific site, which is this one here, and it's just docs.microsoft.com and then custom format strings. That's just what you have to Google or search in whatever kind of search engine you use. And there you have all the specifics, right? So what kind of symbols there are and what they mean here for the range, especially for dates could be interesting, but also here for values, for currencies and so on. How do you need to format them and what do they mean? So everything is provided here, and if you need something in specific, just go there and search for it, okay? So that's it for this video, short, but hopefully helpful to a lot of you who struggle with the default formatting and want to have their own ones, but just don't know exactly how to specify the custom one, okay? So that's it. As always, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed it, then please subscribe to the channel. Also click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload videos. And if you have any questions, then of course, ask them in the comment section and please give the video a thumbs up. And finally, of course, please stay healthy and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.